On a Friday afternoon this spring, I had the pleasure of watching an exciting basketball game in Haiti. The game was played at Bridge Academy, a top English language school located in the suburban neighborhood of Port-au-Prince. It featured their boys basketball team playing against a group of players from two of Haiti's most disadvantaged urban communities. Although the crowd was rooting enthusiastically for the home team, the visiting team of dogged underdogs beat the odds and came out with a 27-13 win. The players from the winning team are from Cité-Soleil and Martissant, two of Haiti's most notorious gang control communities that most Haitians consider to be no man's land. However, instead of joining gangs, these group of young people have opted to be part of Baskètbòl pour Ankadre Lajenès, or BAO, a nonprofit organization that I launched in 2013 with the objective of using basketball as a tool to mentor and educate Haitian youth. As a native of Martissant who returned to live there after living in the US for 12 years and earning an undergraduate degree from Yale, I decided to start BAO after learning that most criminal suspects arrested in Haiti are between the ages of 18 and 25 years old. With more than half of Haiti's population being under 25, I knew that the youth needed guidance and mentorship. Given the popularity of basketball among Haiti's urban youth and my experience as student director of operations of the Yale men's basketball team, I started BAO because I believed that basketball could be a powerful tool for providing guidance to the youth. In a country where people are more familiar with the names of prominent gang leaders than those of government officials, our organization aims to steer the youth away from the influence of gangs and enable them to become agents of change in their communities and country. We currently provide our comprehensive programming to 133 boys and girls ages 8 and up from Cité-Soleil and Martissant at no cost to their parents. BAO operates year-round, 3 times a week, on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. In addition to basketball training and games, our youth benefit from a variety of programs and services, including critical thinking and writing exercises, a reading program, a tutoring program, a scholarship fund, cultural and educational field trips, and health services. Through the talent shows that we hold twice a year, we've also discovered that many of the youth are talented rappers, singers, spoken word artists, comedians, and dancers. A couple of our student athletes have even gone viral in Haiti through their music videos. Over the past 8 years, our experience has proven that with consistent year-round mentorship and educational opportunities, young people from the poorest of neighborhoods facing some of the most difficult circumstances can thrive. Richard Lay, seen here in the middle of the huddle leading his team, is proof of this. In 2014, when he was at risk of joining a gang in Martissant, Richard Lay joined BAO instead. 7 years later, he graduated high school this summer and is currently studying English at the renowned Haitian American Institute. He received a full scholarship from BAO to do so, like many of our other student athletes. When he's not studying English or playing basketball, Richard Lay is busy scaling up his small business with our support. I encourage you to support the young people in your communities because with the right support at the right time, they can do amazing things. Although the challenges are daunting, in Haiti we say, "Mais un pile chai palou," meaning many hands make the load lighter. So, I hope you will join us in building a better future for the young people of Haiti, because our work is truly bigger than basketball. Thank you.